hey, even if this method works only 1 night out of 3 or out of 7, it's still 1 night of good sleep. So it's worth that you try it. Right, so I think it's best if I actually take you through it. So you do things as I'm telling you. That's the best way for you to remember it. And otherwise, people often forget bits and pieces. So just do what I'm telling you. So find out right now a comfortable spot. You don't need to lie down. Sitting is enough. But later on, obviously, you'll do it as you are lying down. So you get ready to sleep. Find yourself a comfortable position. So if you're lying down or sleeping now, imagine that you are deflating yourself, parts of your body. So like you're a balloon, you know, every part of your body is just filled with air, and you just letting the air out through a valve, or you make a hole and you just go psss, and all your body parts go limp. You can also use other methods of relaxing your body and going limp, but this one is the one that I like. So imagine that your left or right leg is going deflating, and you're just going flat. Then the other leg, yeah, can you feel how it's relaxed and kind of heavy, and at the same time light and relaxed? And then do the same thing with maybe your left hand, then with your right hand, and you're relaxed. Yeah, then with the let's say the lower part of your body, it goes limp, then the chest, then the hands, and then your head. And you're totally relaxed. Okay, now that you're totally relaxed, obviously when you lie down you can take as much time as you want. You can do it quickly, you can do it fast, however you like at a given moment. One night you can do it this way, or you can do 5 times in a row, you know, whatever works for you. The more you do it, the more you kind of train yourself, and then the more you bore yourself as well. Sometimes giving yourself an activity also helps you fall asleep, right? So now that you are kind of relaxed in your body, you are going now to imagine that you are in a total and complete darkness, blackness. Everything's black, and it's a really nice black, very pleasant and safe. You are totally safe, and everything's totally black. And if you see some pictures and lights, you know this is not from the environment. These are just your mind, your brain creating pictures. So that's okay. Everything's black, and you just can't see anything, and you're totally relaxed and black. Okay, and now you are going to give yourself a command. You tell yourself the following commands: sleep, don't think, relax, don't think, don't think, relax. You can also use another command: let go. I think the most important one is don't think, don't think, don't think, let go, relax. And if things pop up in your mind, pictures, just say don't think. And this is a command that you give yourself: don't think. Don't worry that you're going to think about things. That's okay. The moment you think about something, it's just don't think. Like you give yourself a command: don't talk, and you just don't talk. You stay quiet, right? So same with thinking. It's a little bit more difficult because thoughts pop in. You can't really control it, but still you can give yourself the command and stop the thoughts the moment they show up. So don't think. If you speak some other languages, you can try those commands in other languages. Sometimes they work better in other languages, so experiment with that. And then keep giving yourself this command or a few commands, alternating them for a good few minutes. You know, don't give up just after 1 minute. Oh, it's not working. Give yourself a good few minutes, sometimes 5-10 minutes is necessary. And the more you practice this, guess what? The easier it will be. Now, remember, it might not work the first night, or it might work the first night really well and the second night it will not. That's how it is. Don't give up. Come back to that method some other time. Combine it with other methods, okay? So use it and experiment with it, okay? Your job is to give your mind something to do so it doesn't need to think about other things. Yeah, so you relax yourself, you relax your body, and then you occupy your mind while giving it a task. Simple task. Don't think. Yeah, and you drift away. Another thing you need to experiment with is maybe when you have your eyes closed, where do you point your eyes? Do you still keep your eyes looking forward, or do they drop down? Or do they drop down depending where it's down, as kind of towards the earth? Because if you're lying on your back, down might be there. Or maybe you need to look up, you know. I'm saying up and down relating to your body, not the gravity, not the earth, yeah? So experiment with your eyes. Maybe sometimes you just need to kind of relax your eyes, like you want to slightly blur things, you don't want to really focus on anything. That might work as well. So experiment with your eyes a little bit. Relax them, or point at one direction, up, down, or point down and relax, or point up and kind of relax, you know. All those things, okay? Do this and let me know how effective it was, okay? You take care.